How to create an e-commerce store in Shopify, a step-by-step guide. Creating an online store has never been easier thanks to platforms like Shopify. Whether you're launching a brand new product, expanding a physical store, or testing the waters with dropshipping, Shopify offers the tools you need to start, grow, and manage your e-commerce business. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to set up a Shopify store step by step, even if you have no prior experience. 1. What is Shopify? Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows anyone to create an online store and sell products. It is a complete e-commerce solution offering tools for product listing, payments, shipping, marketing, customer engagement, and more. Shopify is ideal for beginners and non-technical users, businesses of any size, dropshipping, digital goods, or physical products. 2. Sign up for a Shopify account. Step 1. Visit the Shopify website. Go to www.shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. Step 2. Create an account. Fill in your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. If the store name is already taken, Shopify will ask you to try a different one. Step 3. Add store details. Shopify will ask a few quick questions. Are you already selling? What is your current revenue? What industry are you in? Then you'll be prompted to enter your name, address, and other contact details for billing and tax purposes. 3. Set up your Shopify store. Once your store is created, you'll be taken to the Shopify admin dashboard, which is your control center. Step 1. Choose a theme. Shopify has many free and paid themes in its theme store. A theme controls the design and layout of your store. Go to Online Store Greater Than Themes, explore free themes, or visit the Shopify theme store. For more options, preview themes before selecting. Click Customize to start editing your chosen theme. Step 2. Customize your store. Using the theme editor, you can add your logo and favicon, change colors, fonts, and layouts. Add homepage sections like slideshows, banners, featured collections, etc. Use the drag and drop editor to make changes without coding. 4. Add products to your store. Step 1. Go to Products. Click on Products greater than Add Product. Step 2. Fill in product details. Title, name of the product, description. Use persuasive and informative text, media. Upload product images or videos. Pricing, set the price and compare a price optional. Inventory, add SKU, barcode, and stock quantity, shipping. Enter product weight for shipping rates. Variants, add sizes, colors, materials, etc. Click Save when done. 5. Organize your products. Create collections. Collections help organize products by categories like men's clothing, sale items, or new arrivals. Go to Products Greater Than Collections. Click Create Collection. Add a title and description. Choose how products are added, manual, or automated based on rules like price, tags, etc. 6. Set up payment gateways. Step 1. Go to Settings Greater Than Payments. Shopify supports many payment methods. Shopify Payments fastest and easiest. PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Manual payments like bank transfers or cash on delivery. Just follow the instructions to connect your preferred method. 7. Configure shipping settings. Go to settings greater than shipping and delivery. Set shipping zones, for example, US, Canada. Choose rates flat rate, free shipping, or carrier calculated. Add local delivery or pickup if applicable. Make sure product weights are accurate for shipping calculation. 8. Add a custom domain. Your Shopify store starts with a free domain like your-store.myshopify.com for branding. Buy a custom domain like www.yourstore.com. Step 1. Go to settings greater than domains. Buy a new domain through Shopify or connect an existing domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. Follow instructions to verify and link your domain. 9. Set up legal pages for professionalism and trust. Include the following pages: privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund policy, shipping policy. Shopify can generate templates. For these, go to settings greater than policies. Click create from template and customize. Save and link them in your footer menu. 10. Configure store settings. Taxes. Set up tax rules automatically by region. Go to settings greater than taxes. Shopify calculates taxes based on location. Notifications. Customize customer email notifications, order confirmations, shipping updates, etc. under settings greater than notifications. 11. Set up navigation and menus. Go to online store greater than navigation. Create a main menu with links like Home, Shop, About, Contact. Add drop-down menus if you have product categories. 12. Install Shopify apps. Shopify has thousands of apps to enhance functionality. Go to apps greater than Shopify App Store. Useful apps include Oberlo Answers for dropshipping, SEO Manager, Klaviyo, or MailChimp email marketing. 13. Launch your store. Step 1. Remove password protection. Go to online store greater than preferences. Scroll to password protection and uncheck enable password. Now your store is live. Step 2. Test your store. Browse the store like a customer. Place a test order using Shopify's bogus gateway for fake transactions. Check emails, checkout, flow, and mobile responsiveness. Creating an e-commerce store with Shopify is straightforward and accessible for anyone, even beginners. With a few clicks and customizations, you can build a professional-looking store ready to accept orders and grow your business.